morning, my kids! Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today we will learn about letter F. Say good morning to letter F. Good morning, letter F. This is a capital F and this is a small f. Repeat after me. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Now let's make the letter F sound. The sound of letter F is f, 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 f. And now we will know some vocab about letter F. F is for wow, it's a flower. F, f, flower. F, f, flower. F is for fan. Fan. F, f, fan. F, f, fan. F, f, flower. F, f, flower. F, f, fan. Let's continue. F is for fish. Yes, it's a fish. F, f, fish. F, f, fish. And F is for frog. 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 F, f, frog. Let's revise. F is for flower. F, f, flower. F is for fan. F, f, fan. F is for fish. F, f, fish. F is for frog. F, f, frog. F flower. F fan. F fish. F frog. Here is a tip for you. Fish can swim. Frog can jump. Fish can swim. Frog can jump. Fish can swim. Frog can jump. Okay, thank you. See you later.